everybody, and welcome back to another Scrappy and Pappy, I would say comedy hour, but this better not last an hour. Got us an old Samsung TV here to take apart, and I can't remember much about when I came up with this one, but it only has like 2 screws in it. And I see the stuff missing right here where you would plug in the jacks, so somebody might have been in it some already. We'll take out these last couple screws and see. You want to show the model of the thingy? Why?
Yes.
I figure out which screwdriver is there, and
so it's a Samsung. Was made in September 2006. Model number LN-S3251D. So, in case you're just curious, yeah. September 2006. September 2006.
It's only got 2 or 3 screws left holding it in on the back here, so let's get those out and we'll snatch the back off and see what we can see. I think we want to go over here. There's one right here. I don't have no magnet on my screwdriver, so it's not picking up the screws. I couldn't find my little electric screwdriver, and I got tired of looking for it. So I'm using the manual drive screwdriver. Okay, guys. Let that screw fall out. I got the back off. Got a little piece of metal right there. Just some rubber. Holding down a piece of rubber. Nope, just taped up a piece of metal. I guess so it didn't scratch up the other parts. Huh. Strange. Alright, get out of the way. You can go to the Never Land refill. That's popped on there with plastic. It looks like a screw, but it's not a screw. They're just popped on there somehow with the molded plastic. That part too, that's quite strange. Not even worth a penny, so
Yeah.
I'm not putting no more life into it.
It does look like someone might have been in this TV already.
See, this piece of aluminum is already loose in there. This piece of metal has already been taken off. Looks like they've taken out the green boards with all the goodies on it.
Yeah.
So the only thing we have left is this little bit of metal, which has about no value. That's the point I should stop to and just throw it away like that. But we'll get just a little bit of these screws off of here. Oop. Come here, you. Do I have enough magnet to pick you up? Barely. Need to get magnet out of here somewhere. Stick on here so I can pick up the screws without losing them. Let's walk over here. Out of range maybe, but see, do we have a nice little magnet we can slide on here to help us? See if that one will work. It's a little low one. Well, all the boards are missing. That's terrible. There's still a little one under here. And maybe there's the little gold ones down below too. Strange why they just took that little bit out. I took the panel out that controls the lights, which has nothing hardly useful on it at all. Like these little pointless metal doodads. A little piece of metal. And here is a little tiny board. Not much to it. Hope I'm speaking loud enough. LED light. Not much stir. Screws. Screws over here. Da-da-da. There's one. Come on. There's another one. Alright, that was some buttons on the side. That's a little piece of wiring, like I said, that's a little, also worth like nothing. Piece of little foam off that metal will stick here for now. There's a screw there. And what's under that foil? Okay. Let's take out this screw. And this one here. Can we get to it? Oop. Come on, old man. Come on, hippie. Oh, that one's a little tight. There. We got it going though. Oh, magnet's not strong enough to make the screw stay on or what? Get out of there. Not giving me such a hard time. That's really giving me a hard time. Didn't want to cooperate at all. I think I must have picked it up and dropped that one too. Picked it up and dropped it 5 times. Alright, come on, get out of there. Alright. Magnet needs to be way down. Lower maybe. It's like an Exo-Sketch. No, wasn't the Exo-Sketch. A record set that you got for Christmas in the late 60s. Yeah, I know. What's he talking about? Alright, see the screw, take it out. Piece of foam on it. My goodness gracious. That's my screwdriver. My little electric screwdriver. Make it go a lot quicker. Come on now. It's a Samsung, so it has more screws in it than some of them do. Also was made in Mexico, so has more screws. Better put together than some stuff. Gotten that one. Just quit fighting and let them fall where they want to. We'll pick them back up in a second. Dang. Six screws to hold that piece of metal. That's way overdone, buddies. Way overdone. It's a heavy piece of metal too. Surprise. Lay there for a minute. How low are you at? Give me them screws. Tedious. Need a bigger magnet. Need bigger magnet. Little magnet's not handling it too well. Alright, do we get every screws out of everything? No, we have not. Here's one there. There's one there. Oh, broken piece of plastic on that one. Get out of here. Alright, now what? Now what? Don't see any more screws anywhere, folks. A piece of metal can come off. What else? What else? What else? What's going on here? I see the back of a lot of screws looking at me. Try to loosen everything up a little bit here. Ta-da! Another piece of plastic with nothing on it. Now we got the screen with more screws. And more screws and more screws. And these look like little tiny screws. And they're pain in the butt screws. I can't even see them, they're so tiny. Alright. Let's play the little screw game, I guess. That's long. That's pretty long for such a tiny little head. Oop, another little piece of metal off of there. Well built TV, that's for sure. That's what's well put together. But it still reached the end of its time. I don't see any breaks in the screen. No broke and no scarred or burnt out places. Huh. Oh well. I guess it was something else. Maybe they just got a bigger and better one. That's the way of the day. Throw it out when you're done with it. Keep the economy rolling. Like Rome. On the 7 hills. But actually after time it was 8 because they piled up all the broken wine amulets and casts. Made a big old mountain out of them. It was illegal to take anything off of it because they were proud of their mountain. Alright. A little piece of aluminum maybe, or tin, I'm not sure which. I think it's aluminum. Now we're down to here. Alright. That's the screen. Don't look bad. And here we have these 2 pieces along the front here. And as usual, the whole bar is gold. See the little gold teeth. Backside too, so nice little find. It was worth it just for these couple pieces. I likes that gold. Me likes me gold. Alrighty, let's get these little pieces off. Come on. Way down there, out the way. Did we get it all the way around? do believe so. That's pretty. Can't see no light through it on that side or that side. Huh. Very nice. Can I get it in there with the rest of them? I think I can. Got a little stash in that corner of those. Alright. What we got in here, folks? I'm so blind, I can't tell. We got that come off of there now. Come on now. Couldn't tell if those were screws in the middle of it or what, but it's not. Come on, you can break if you want, because need to break you up to get you in the recycle can anyhow. Come on. Oh my goodness gracious. Pain in the butt. Come on off of there. Don't stab yourself in the hand now, guy. Stabbing yourself in the fingers, that's funny. Amateurish. So amateurish there, dude. Like you never done this before. Alright. That's off of there. Piece of plastic, yay. And then here we got the, how many do we got? 1, 2, 3 sheets. And then this one. The thick piece. Which I can't think of the name of at the moment. Name in the comment of that thingy, because I can't think of it. Alright, let's put them over there out the way. Out the way. With your cousins. Hang out with your cousins. So now all we're down to is this piece of metal right here. That's holding the light fixtures. That's it. That's a piece of metal. These ugly light fixtures. These fluorescent lights. Plastic clips. Get in there. Alright, what am I thinking? That's dangerous. What am I thinking? Who would want to go there, buddy? Who in their right mind would answer that question? Or could? Let's say nobody. Get the plastic off of there. That's the plastic. There, you put it there. Let's do the other side. Without breaking, oops, without stabbing ourselves in the hand. Or breaking any of our fluorescent light tubes. Alright, now we can see down to our lights. It's got a few screws in there holding them in. I don't see them on that side. I see some on that side. I think on this side it's just held in by these. Yep. pull them right through. Three more. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, over here the same weight, but also it has some screws holding the electric part down. I don't know why, but it does. There's one. There's another one. Come on. Come all the way out, please, sir. Thank you. And another one. Another one bites the dust. Hey. Another one bites the dust. Well, come on now. Nobody thought I was a singer. I sure didn't. Still don't. Never did, never will. Come on, get out of there. Yay, that one's on there too. Let's see now if these will pull out as easy as the other side. Yep. And they're wired in tandem. Oh. Get these books pulled out of here. The plastic just falls apart. Huh? And there you go. They're wired together. Take the plastic off the little rubber boots that they're in, but they can just stay like that for now. So we'll get those off of there. Snap all the plastic. It's been heated up so many times, the little pieces of plastic that hold it, they just destroy. Fragile, fragile. There's another one. I wish I had some use for all these things. Guess I could make a big light board or something. Come on out of there, buddy. Don't make this so hard on me, please. Out of there. Go ahead and get that one free lifted. That one too. That one still has one. There you go. And there's that one. And that's that. There's the paper. Backing. That was tearing off nicely when they decided they didn't want to. Come on. Come on, you was tearing so nicely to start, and then you give me this bit. What a mess you made. Anyhow, there's the paper off of there. And now to end it. This piece of metal that's left. It's so noisy. Anyhow, get the idea. There's the metal that's left. And so rip this off. I don't want to keep doing it because it's noisy. And my son's asleep in the next room. He has to go to work tonight. Let's don't make all that real hard. That noise that loud. Let's try to quiet this thing down. So, all these pieces of plastic right here. They just break up so easy. That's so weird. That they can last in place as long as they get no pressure on them, even though they've been heated and melted to smithereens. that making more noise. Keep saying I'm done, then I do a little more. Oh my goodness. Bah, I did it anyhow. Look, see? Just a piece of metal now. Piece of steel. Heavy duty though. Let's hope the cat don't come knock it down on his toes. Alright, hey Conan. What are you doing? Let me move this out of your way. Huh? Come here. What are you doing? Your food bowl missing? Huh? Is your bowl missing? You're like, where's my stuff? Wait, where's my snacks? This ain't right. Here they are. Look. Oh, is that your love bucket? You silly kitty. Alrighty. Say goodbye, kitty. Say goodbye, Conan. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. At least as much as I did. Bye.